Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I want to say great things once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You see it, and all things that's good. See? Want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. And subscribers, if you're viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make we grow it, you know? Cause you don't know, YouTube say them contents, you know, ad worthy according to them, so you know. But we are get on with it still, you know, see. Yeah, so me observe say the PNP party like to implode upon itself star, you know, see. That's something I did see. You know, see, something I did shout out from a long time. You know, see, the amount of infighting when I say I go on is like, say, there's a prize for be the opposition leader, Rasta. You know, see, because them people here, a politician, them know, say, you can't have division inside of your own party and expect for challenge and win any form of election. You know, see, the rule and plus the party where you challenge a rule, it's like, so well then the party where really a rule, I feel definitely I do really bad for the splittings there in the opposition. Beat them, you know, see it. And everybody know that from, you have like, I think 2 attempts were proofs is a thing where no work. You know, see it, because the man do it from Portia time till now. Portia and Peter Phillips. You know, see it, because I ever splitting and a rivalry in the PNP party until now. You know, see it. So it's like, so well then, it's not even, it's like, it's obvious the members of the hierarchy in the PNP party see it more feasible for them own ego, sustain them own ego, rather than look out for the interest and the benefit of the party in its entirety. You know, see, because when Peter Bunting challenged for the party leader, it was an obvious, open and obvious challenge for disrupt the whole organization. You know, see, a strong possibility say him knowing himself him never did go win. But him do it anyway because him know say it all disrupt the apple cart, and the man where him not like now becomes the leader, which is Peter Phillips, Prime Minister. You know, see, him shouldn't have been leader in the first place. Now him want to come be Prime Minister, him gonna be more powerful. See? So it's all about them and not about the vast majority of People's National Party support out there, where from grassroots, from day one, them are do them thing for maintain the party as it is. You know, see, then after Peter Bunting lose now, see, it weakened the whole structure of the whole thing. So you find, say, Peter Phillips not really have no whole heap of footing for stand pan again after campaign pan, because right now it's like just a year before the general election, you have the infighting leadership challenge within the PNP. Seen? Right on the back of that, after them lose the election, they come now, you have the leadership challenge against for replace Peter Phillips. So the the entanglement, it's so twisted and you know, confusing us. Pardon. Choke me. Just to think, just to try fathom the twisted, mangled heap of metal that PNP party is right here now, Rasta. You see, it come like some sharp metal, you know, them bag wire there where them put on the top of people fence, the high fence them, the razor wire them, it come like a beer them, they twist up. Come like the PNP party is a bundle of them, they knot up. You have to go just melt it up and turn it in a whole iron again and start over. You see, cause them level of bad mind and grudgeful and corruption against one another. Now I go stop for now if them same set of people are remaining at the party, Rasta. It obvious, so about 2-3 years now them approve them pint and what them mean and what the whole thing mean to them. And people have to get discipline and kick out, throat na the coal. And now from Mark Golding come right down, Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, the whole of them come right down. You know see, PNP need a reset. Yeah, the whole PNP party need a reset. You know see, I want to say this about a couple days now, but I don't want to sound like me a defend Philip Palwell. Philip Palwell forgot to. Philip Palwell forgot a long time. Philip Palwell stagnate the growth at the constituency where he rule under. And nearly 30 years now, Philip Palwell in East Kingston and Port Royal and no farmer development. You know see, no farmer development whatsoever apart from the main road where the part was part of the highway planning and proposal. You know see it. You know see Philip Palwell did nothing for the community now for the youths them or nothing like that. And one of the most inactive member of parliament anywhere in Jamaica, not just Rockfort. You know see it, because the thing about that now is that Rockfort is a set seat. You know see it is a set vote. It's like some ardent PNP community. So it's hard for him lose out there. So him not have to put out no effort and believe you me, improve that time and time again to the rest of the world, not to East Kingston people them because them know. You know see it improve that time and time again so the rest of the world so him not have to live strong. You know that for remain in the position where him there. Till now it's like a inherited merit that as a birthright Rasta. You see it? So I never really want to say nothing to make it sound like me in defense of Philip Palwell. You know see it? Because the only one of them when I see like in stay center left is Damian Crawford. You know see it? Sure, what up man? Babylon hot over here still, you know, I'm not tell you like the heat out there. Terrible. And Damian Crawford may have some left-wing speeches in her mouth out of the whole crowd of them when I say that right there. So. You see, Damian Crawford sound like a more Michael Manley type of genre, type of people first, socialism, party type of attitude. You know, see, there's some of them speech, them most of them speech, them as a matter of fact. You know, see, them guys, the matter of, you know, to hear nothing from them. See, when you do see anything from them, you know, there's some corruption. Like the other day, when we look, a George Wright used to walk back in the parliament and go sit on the right side of Philip Palwell, in the PNP side of the house and all of them thing there. And it's like, basically, he must say, I mean, he can't come sit on side of Philip Palwell because Philip Palwell not a secret for him and no more man than him. The two of them not beat woman too. The whole of them not beat them woman when them ready and all them type of scenario that them shame and them disgrace they exist now in a house of Jamaica representation Rasta. You know see it? It come like it's a clown house, like it's like at the biggest joke house. You know see it? And then now them a do it in front of the Jamaica people like say them a prove to the youth them with the whole heap of gun them out they say. The youth them not no sense. As a matter of fact, them youth are take talk from politicians. That's me don't know where them think politician is. Them youth are move like so them think politician a Santa Claus and them are children. Anytime politician come around like them happy forget nothing. You know, see, because when politicians come talk to them feel like say at them are the man, at them are the Dan, at them the politician. No, just that alone. Politicians now offer them no form of upliftment or development whatsoever. Because them youth are the fame them in it for. Me no hear man a link blog and a tell a chastise blog and a tell blog a say him can't call them dirty kind of boy Rasta better if you say them youth there, them could youth there. They don't mind them name get called up. You know them thing, yeah? That's why I do nothing about the mournful as it is, little girl dead in my community gunman go kill her the other day and I say nothing about it because the boy them will do it as some sick, twisted, sadistic, you know, nasty, twisted, sexually motivated boy them. You know, see it. I don't really want to call them name and them feel good about it because them down there feel good about the fame and I enjoy it because, like I say, politicians now do nothing about them. Police now do nothing about them. Gone are the days in the Rasta when a man used to think him could have did kill a woman and get away with it. You know, see it? Anyway, we leave that for another day. You know, see it? So, there's a whole heap of complicity. We don't know the youth them are pro, and now the politicians them are pro. That's why the politicians them can remain so, you know, inconsequential because at the end of the day, you know, everybody have secret for one another and there be a corruption. You know, see it? You know, see it? A man go afraid all a shot attack out him secret. How much man him got paying for man and all them thing there. Enough time when you see them come out and all that different some guy and all them thing there, go to some guy where them send go kill all the poor people, picnic and all them thing there for them own gratification. You know, see it? Them level of weakness and corruption in Rasta, so them it's not acceptable, man. You know, see it? In a party, a prominent party, like the PNP, them level of petty infighting to this day. Yeah? You can't imagine where them guys are up on the road amongst youth and youth. Eh? When you see them a think and a flex them little dirty ego them way openly in a public. You can't imagine for them influence. Them flex seem like little youth them a road. You know, see all and the other day in a dance a dance to government badness. Government badness and to lift Bertha in my waist and rate whatever. And all them things there, you don't really want your head state to associate with certain sort of, you know, criminality because I that's right there. But because I tell the all of the day and it make you look, you know, like, yeah. Them level of governance Rasta, a joke, I go on. You know, see it? I'm a wonder how them allow the youth them for have so much gun on the street and them a move so petty in a parliament and now be an example. Now set no standard whereby the youth them can know say who them man them in the joke thing with we, you know. You see it? Right now where the man them a do rest side make it look like say them and the youth them a rub shoulder to shoulder in a dance at night time. You know see it? Like when the girl them a text and a call the same girl, you know the man them a text and a sleep with the same girl them. Same way a roadside Rasta. You know see it? No class. Not in a politics again. No principle. Not in a Jamaica politics again. Rasta. Nobody now pay no attention to what go on. So them make a privileged guy here just run around and do what them want do. You know see it? Like go appoint your best friend who is unelected. An unelected representative you appoint to a pivotal position like the Senate. After you know so well then somebody there where I do a remarkable job already right throughout the time with them already with them agree. You openly appoint your friend Peter Bunting in the position. Knowing so well then that Zonga show say the unity where you call for now gone away because a cronyism, straight cronyism you blatantly promote in the face and the eyes of the people. And I talk about Brogan and Magdalena Clarks. You know see it? You know see it? You know make no different. Mark Golden. From day one, I see it. People can go back and check that video there from you get that position there. I point out say be corruption and nastiness I come with, as usual. You see, cause I was whole I want to plan and flex when I flex against Peter Phillips. So when hand over the election to GLP rather than make the whole PNP win it because the leader, uno no like the leader with few no money. So it's like me I say, it look like there is a big price for being the opposition leader when none of we don't know about Rasta. You know see, cause that's a Mark Golden one stay. You man film DB friend Peter Bunting. You know see it? Cause uno justify for uno self and feel like say uno qualified or even deserve the position one wall in the eyes of Jamaica people. Jamaica people I buy, you have to buy respect every day, you know. Every day you have to budget how much you have to pay for you respect from them people here today. I want to feel like a valid representation of the same people them. You know a disgrace, man. You know see it? You know it's a disgrace to a whole political party. You know see it? You know it's a disgrace to a whole political party, Rasta. You know see it? And it's kind of unbelievable, say, in a today day and age. Politician, I behave them where you're in front of we, and I get away with it, and feel like so well then, them is of any value, or feel relevant. So I always tell you, them boys have no relevance. You know see it? It's all a game to them. You know see it? Because the ethics and the principles them no matter no more. You know see it? It don't have nothing to do with where the crowd out they think. It's just what them boy I think them boy I do. You know see it? As long as it's not the next party I complain about them doings and them happenings, no complain nah gone away. No complain nah gone away, Rasta. No shame. No indignity in them guy game. You know see, them guys just do as them like openly and blatantly in front of poor people. Yes, I. So we could jump on back on it and finish up. Don't know. Brethren over there in America shot me. One Mark Springer. You know, bad him wife, bad him off, go finish cook a while ago. Yes, I. You don't know, you don't see it. So, when we observe the whole thing we are going, Rasta, we are say, like the principle, the core principle that they in the PNP party again, that is a shell our people used to know. You see it? And the guy them were there. Them a do it so blatant is like you say there is no dignity anymore in them guy a game. You know see it, no shame no there. You do them a do cause them not try pretty up nothing, them not try hide nothing. You know see it. You know see it. Mark Golden him look like him have a boss. Anyway. You wonder if a daring or a bunting. You know see it, cause I say it did always name Daring, Bunting and Golden. Golden did on the last one. And so them name thing they go the bigger boss, them name always the upper top. So we gotta look for a Daring step in one of them there and just take over the thing and just make them know so watch a man. You don't know what I do. You know see and Jamaica just stand aside and allow that for them because now the nature of politics today. You know see it, and the attention and the care which the people observe it these days. You know see it. things that are really acceptable still. But we have to just watch them implore. Because corruption are corruption, you know. You see, from day one, me, the things that I'm smart enough to get Lisa on it. And try to grow back a certain semblance of dignity in the amongst themselves, because the world are fighting and the screaming and the cat scratching when they are going with at one point. They tarnish the whole of them. Bunting, daring and Golding preside over one of the biggest money disaster, financial disaster in Jamaica history. I don't know how them find it enough for themselves. I expect other things that people are going to come respect them enough for follow them lead, you know. I don't know. That again, me I tell you, say, you know, no pride, no dead, no dignity, no dead, because no shame, no way. In a real world, them guys could have find themselves anywhere in a politics, unless a prison politics. You know, see it. Shouldn't find themselves nowhere in a politics and the opposition, they even challenge it. You know, see it. Because when the whole fiasco go on, the whole of them would have money in it. Me say, man a yard get fame, share in full. While poor people out there scratch. The whole of them get back for them money in a full. That's why the whole of them so calm and collective and accepted, you know, accepting towards Mark Golding as opposition leader. You know, see it. But, yeah. I don't mind Philip Palwell step away, because him just resign from politics or to compete. Him rich enough, you know, can go open a country for himself somewhere, Rasta. Man, they can go buy a island and start him own sovereignty. You see it? The man that don't need for suck no more out of Jamaica, Rasta. You see it? The only little casualty I'm seeing in the whole of this Damien Crawford, because him have a level of socialism, a people person more. You know me, I say him chat too much and him like it to that be like a brag, him don't know when a waff talk about yet. But when him touch upon reasonable point of view, him make some reasonable suggestion. You see it? Yeah, man. Little PNP, why your girl? Well, I mean for call you girl. Woman, the president for the PNP, why you resigned to as well. You know, see, it's come like, you know enough case. The leader himself would have looked on it and say, no, one man no worth the sacrifice of the whole party, the deterioration of the whole party. So him himself would have just step back and just know, say, yeah, you know, the interest, the better interest of the growth and development, the success of the party coming to power. You know, see it. But them guys, like I say, in it for the prize, we're being in opposition come with, because under the circumstance, we have a couple more years yet to go in the CMC there. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.